Hi there, Elaine here with WTI. I have a guard dog that doesn't leave a bite, but surely leaves a mark on you. This Security Bling It On pepper spray was gifted to me by my sister, and the keychain is really sturdy and the clip is really strong. I like to carry it with me all the time. It's really convenient to just tuck it on my pants. I could even hide it in my pocket, but it's so gorgeous that I like to display it. I never leave home without it. It's on my keychain, except for airports and concerts, and that's how we lost one of them. But I do love the fact that it comes in many different colors and it lights up and glows in the dark, especially the lavender. And it's very important to have the safety feature on. This is a must, and it allows you quick access to use. So get your Bling It On pepper spray for your family member or for yourself. And if you ever have to use it, Guard Dog replaces it free of charge. How awesome is that? We love it, we highly recommend it, and that's just our point of view.